All right, here's a little bit more division. So we have our 2x minus 3 goes into all this mess here. Put my number up here. That gives me what? 3x squared, which gives me negative 9x squared. I needed it only to be negative 5, so I'm going to put 4 back in. So 2x would make that happen, and that would be negative 6x. I don't want any x's, so I need to get rid of all of those. And a 3 would make that happen, which would make that a negative 9. Well, I only wanted negative 6, not negative 9, so I need to add 3 more back. That, my friends, is your remainder. So we have this here plus 3 over whatever it was that you divided by, which is our 2x plus 3. No, seriously, come on, people. Negative 3. There we go. And here is our last one. We're using the graph to write the equation in factored form. So here's the dealio. Remember, if this is a root, the factor is x minus 1. It's the opposite. So we do need to remember that. That's an important part. And then we're going to go ahead and do our division. Here's the thing. When you do your division, it will go in evenly. We told you it's a root. So if yours doesn't go in evenly, then you'll be able to know you made a mistake and you can backtrack and find your mistake. So we start off here. Again, we always start off with this first one. We have our 6x squared. I need to make it just a negative one, so I need to add back in 5 of them. So then I have 5x. That gives me negative 5x. I need negative 6 more of them to make my negative work here, which would be negative 6 and positive 6, and sure enough, it went in. But this is not the other factor. You then need to factor that. So negative 30. Oh, a little dyslexic there. Negative 36 and 5. And so here's the thing. A lot of students I'm finding are having trouble finding the answers. So here's the thing. 136. Nope, didn't work. 2 goes in 18 times. Nope, didn't work. 3 goes in 12 times. Nope, didn't work. 4 goes in 9 times. Ooh, it worked. And I don't know if you could time me there, but that probably took like maybe 15 seconds to do that. But just going through, and you can use your calculator to divide and see if it goes in evenly. Like even if you don't remember all your multiplication facts, you can still do that. So 4 and 9 are the ones that work. But I want it to be a positive down here, but a negative up here. So one of them does need to be negative. And then I have to do my factor by grouping. So remember, I need to use these numbers to rewrite this. It does not matter what order you put them in, but I did write my first and last exactly the same. So I pull out a 3x. I'm left with 2x plus 3. I pull out a negative 2, and I'm left with 2x plus 3. Oh, happy days, because those are the same. So I now pull that out of both of them, and this leftover stuff becomes my other factor. So in factored form, I have all this mess is factored form. The degree, the highest degree is a 3, so it is a third degree polynomial. And so my roots, well, I already had one, so don't get that one wrong. That would be sad. And then what I need to do here is set this equal to 0. So if I set this equal to 0, I get 2x equals negative 3, x equals negative 3 halves. So negative 3 halves is one of them. And I set this equal to 0. And x is equal to 2/3 for my answer. So that would be it.